Welcome back to 12 North. This is Leon. Today I'll be showing you how to keep your espresso fresh during the day. Now I'm going to be showing you a couple of routines to upkeep, and they all revolve around cleaning. More specifically, we're going to be focusing on the grip heads. During your working hours, your grip head and portafilter are going to catch a lot of unwanted grinds and coffee oils because of the coffee being poured through it. So if I come in at 7 AM, it's going to be tasting pretty fresh, but if I come back at lunchtime and you haven't cleaned either the grip head or the portafilter, it's not going to be the same tasting coffee. And this is when we introduce the blind filter. Now I'm sure you guys know what this is, but a lot of people don't use this often. And when I say often, I mean 2 to 3 to even 4 times a day, and not just at the end of the day. So the blind filter basically creates a lot of pressure within the grip head, cleans out the insides of the grip head and gets rid of all the grinds. So as I said, we should be cleaning your grip heads after every rush, and a good thing to do is figuring out when your busy hours are. So let's just say we clean it 3 times a day. Let's say after 9 AM, after 11 AM, and after 1 PM. After rushes is the perfect time to clean your grip head, so it is important to understand when those peak rushes are, and to spare 5 to 10 minutes to take care of your grip heads and portafilter. Alright, now let me show you how to efficiently clean your grip head. Getting my blind filter on, and while that's cleaning, I'm going to take the opportunity to clean my portafilter. Now this is not crazy dirty, but after just 4 coffees, this is all the oils that have built up. So just imagine after a huge morning or lunch rush how this is going to look. I'm just using the hot water tap and a clean cloth that's handy. And when you're happy with how this turns out, just give it another flash with your hot water because you've just touched it with a cloth. And we want to do the same with our portafilter. Just give it another flush with the hot water. And your portafilter is clean. And as I finish that, my grip head is also finished its cycle. And a good thing to do after this happens is just run a shot to get the temperature of your portafilter and grip head back to normal, which is something we're going to be exploring soon.